Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix infinite loading screen on Apex Legends. Alright, so let's begin. First, you need to check the server status for Apex Legends to ensure the problem isn't due to server downtime. Open your web browser and search for Server Status Apex Legends. Look for the current status of the servers in your region to see if they are fully operational. If the servers are running without issues, proceed with the following steps. Begin by managing any external drives connected to your PC. Open your computer's system tray, typically found at the bottom right of your screen, and locate the icon for safely ejecting hardware. Right-click on it to safely eject any external drives. External drives can sometimes cause conflicts, so it's best to remove them temporarily to rule out any potential issues. Next, navigate to the local disk where Apex Legends is installed. Open File Explorer and go to your local disk, usually C. Find the folders labeled Program Files and Program Files x86 and locate the eGames or Origin Games folder depending on where Apex Legends is installed. Inside, find the folder for Apex Legends, typically labeled Apex or Apex Legends, and open it. Look for the file named R5apex.exe. Right-click on R5apex.exe and select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the boxes for Run this program in compatibility mode for and select Windows 8 inches from the drop-down menu. Also, check the options to disable full-screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. If the issue persists, locate and delete the R5apex.txt file within the same folder. This file can sometimes become corrupted and cause issues with the game. After deleting the file, verify the integrity of the game files to ensure nothing is missing or corrupted. If you are using Steam, open the Steam client, go to your library and find Apex Legends. Right-click on it, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any missing or damaged files and replace them as needed. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.